Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing my new laptop, that is Asus TUF Gaming FX505DT laptop. So in this video I will be explaining you regarding the technical functionalities and key features of the laptop. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. To get the latest notification, click on the bell icon. So let's unbox the package. So as you can see, this is the package. I just cut it from both the sides and from both the edges. So same from both the sides. So this product I got it from Amazon. Recently I have ordered it from Big Billion Sale. So it's open now. So this is the invoice bill. I'll just keep it safe. So here we open it. So here we see the quantity what the box contains. So it's like one notebook, one adapter and one user manual. So this is the main box. The packaging is really good. So this is the main box. So we will just unpack the laptop. So I'll just open it now. So here you can see the power cord. This is for charging. I'll just open it and show you. So here I found some spare screws. This is the laptop. Inside we can find some user manual for further help. This is a power adapter. So these both together are for charging. So here I'll just uncover the laptop. I'll just take it out. So as you can see, this looks so attractive with the stud black color. The weight is about 2.20 kg. So this is a back view. So they have preloaded here Windows 10 with a lifetime validity. So here you can find the FX and SN number, model number and manufacture date of the laptop. Now if we see the left side of the laptop, we can find some input ports and slots. So this is like power input port, LAN port, HDMI port. So there are 3 USB ports. One is like USB 2.0 port and the other two are USB 3.1 port. And this is microphone jack. So now we will see the right side of the laptop. Here we can find the security slot. So now we will see it from behind. Behind these are the air vents for cooling purpose. So now we will just on the laptop. So before owning the laptop, we have to charge the notebook PC for 3 hours before using it in battery mode for the first time. So I'll just connect up the charger and power it on. So now I will just open the laptop. So here we will get the yellow color indication when it is in charging. So this keyboard has RGB backlit and 1.8 mm key travel between each keys. It has overstroke and hyperstack technology which is specially made for gaming users. So in this laptop you can find one special key named function key which help us to perform smart function such as increasing and decreasing the brightness, volume control and enabling and disabling of touchpad and many more features. So here you can see the space bar, numeric keypad and up you can find the air vents. There are some special features in this laptop as shown below. The processor used here is AMD Ryzen 7 3750 processor and there is a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4GB VRAM for graphics. So it has IPS level Nano Edge display, hypercool technology, RGB backlit keyboard, 7.1 channel surround sound, 20mm key press durability and military certified toughness. So here the laptop is fully charged. So when it is fully charged, you will get the white indication over here. So now we will open the laptop and we will power it on. So here I power on the laptop and as this is loading here, so as I said you, keyboard has RGB backlit. It has very beautiful attractive colors. It has all the rainbow colors. So as you can see, it looks very beautiful. So here we can see Windows 10 license agreement, and this software is for lifetime validity. So we will accept it. And now we will install it in the system. So it's getting ready. So here the software is installed, and you can see the desktop with TUF Gaming logo. So here we have the 15.6 LED Full HD display with anti-glare technology. So here I will tell you some technical specifications of the laptop. So this laptop is using AMD Ryzen 7 3750H processor. It has an installed memory of 16 GB. System type is 64-bit operating system. It has a base speed of 2.3 GHz and maximum speed up to 4 GHz. It has 6 MB cache, 4 cores, 8 threads for smooth performance. And this laptop has 60 Hz refresh rate. This laptop has a very good sound quality and video quality, and the RGB keyboard is also very attractive. So that we will be seeing in the next video. Now we will be ending this video, and after 2 months I will be making a video on its performance. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and for more videos subscribe and share this channel. So here you can see the sound and video quality.